We are looking at left-hand bells. Now, I don't want to confuse you, but I'm going to be using my right hand, and that's really just so that you can see exactly what's going on, because if I use the left hand, it's a bit more tricky for you to see, but you're going to be using your left hand for this piece. Okay, so there are a few videos already available for this piece that can help you with different aspects. There's a playthrough of the whole of the piece. Now that's a really good one, because then you'll be able to see how everything fits together. But what we're doing here is just a playthrough of the specific section. Bells are ringing ding dong, children singing folk song, bells are ringing ding dong. Okay, and what you'll find is when the words are the same, so you notice that we had the bells are ringing ding dong twice. So when the words are the same, it means that the notes that you're playing are the same. So hopefully that should help. Okay, so remember you're going to be using your left hand. And the note that we're starting on is the E flat, a couple of strings up from middle C. So this is my middle C. Now remember, it will look different on your harp. Okay, and I'm not going to give you all of the notes. I'm thinking you can just watch what I'm doing, listening. You can watch what I'm doing, you can listen, and then you can have a shot yourself, okay? So, bells are ringing ding dong, children singing folk song. Bells are ringing ding dong. Okay, I'll play you that whole thing again. Bells are ringing ding dong, children singing folk song. Bells are ringing ding dong. Okay, we'll do it one more time, and remember you can join in with me. Bells are ringing ding dong, children sing